It may be spring break, but fellow student Tyson and I are working hard at the Cobra Yeast Molecular Lab at the Children's Hospital.
The Gene Researcher for a Week program is a unique opportunity for motivated and talented and interested high school students to come to a genetics research lab to basically explore for a week what it feels like and what it means to be involved in genetic research.
What it is a program that's designed to help students in grade 11 and 12 who we think have a really high potential of becoming genetic researchers in the future. So to try to get them interested in science and genetics. So the idea is, let's create from the ground up the kind of researchers that are going to help us discover new treatments for disease.
The researchers give the students an opportunity for a hands-on approach and a great learning environment.
I've never worked in a lab before, like many students. I think it was going to be a great experience, and you know, my experience so far has been fantastic. So I'm really glad I applied. They've been really generous with their knowledge and really caring. From the first day, they started to run us through their entire process. When they get an idea and they try to prove it using their research, they run us through the steps that they have to work in order to prove that idea. I definitely got a feel for, you know, their daily life.
Genetic research isn't as scary as it sounds. Grace got me started doing samples on day one.
And this is a culture of E. coli. So they're shaking around to aerate, and they're growing at 37 degrees. We have to keep all this sterile because we don't want to contaminate the cells, so we have to use the Bunsen burner. You want to flame the bottle to keep it sterile.
Okay.
So you want to measure 100 microliters of the media, which is in this bottle. You also want to do the same thing for the culture, and you want to make sure to swirl it a bit before you take it out to make sure it's well mixed.
100 microliters?
Yep.
Scientists need a lot of help in what they do. They can't do it themselves. They love having, you know, students come in, they're excited, they learn some stuff, they make some mistakes, and you know, the whole hope is that it's generating the next generation of scientists.
I think the response has been wonderful. The people in the lab, the graduate students, the technicians really have embraced this their opportunity actually to show and share with high school students how research works, how much fun it is, and to really, you know, make them a part of the team.
Well, looks like my first day was successful. If you're curious about how your environment affects your genes and want to learn more about what we do in the Cobra Lab, check out the free dialogue at the Roundhouse Community Center on April 8th. I'm Nadia, signing off for Gen Y on the Express.